You will get more only by giving but not by receiving. I will tell you how. Once there was this Gunda, he went to a shop and he wanted to buy himself a chocolate. Now do you think unless and until Gunda gave 1 rupee to the shopkeeper proactively give him the chocolate on his own? No, right? Never, right? That is the case with each one of us. We get only by giving but not by receiving. And for all of the students, it works the same way as well. Just because you don't study every single day and you go and stand in front of the God before the examination, day before the examination, and pray for the God to give you 60%, 70% or 90%, having without done any homework which is required to get so much of marks, no, it won't happen at all. Even the God is selfish, God comes up and says, Beta, if you are willing to, if you would have worked for 60%, I'll give you 60%. If you would have worked for 99%, I'll give you 99%. But having worked for only 35%, if you come and ask me to give you 60%, he would say no, never, it cannot happen at all. And that is the very, very prime reason all the great personalities around the world have quoted this beautiful line, be kind to everyone. When you are being kind to everyone, you will start getting more than what you deserve. So it is my humble request to each one of you that please be kind to everyone. Thank you so much.